Dozens of drones reportedly targeted several Russian regions overnight, and Ukrainian drones have caused significant damage to Russian critical infrastructure in one of the largest attacks on Russia so far. The targets included Moscow, Tver, Voronezh, Tula, Kaluga, Bryansk, Belgorod, Lipetsk, and Kursk, according to local officials. Russia's defense ministry claimed that 158 drones were downed overnight. Moscow Mayor Sergei Sobyanin claimed that at least 9 drones were downed in Russia's capital region. One of the drones was reportedly destroyed near the Moscow oil refinery, according to Sobyanin. One of the refinery's buildings was damaged and a fire was reported following the attack, Russia's state-owned RIA Novosti outlet reported. The refinery, owned by Gazprom Neft, the oil division of Russian gas giant Gazprom, is located in southeastern Moscow. No casualties were reported. The Baza Telegram news channel, which is closely associated with Russia's security services, reported that loud explosions were heard near the Konakovo power station in the Tver region, one of the largest energy producers in central Russia. And here we can see that Ukrainian drones successfully hit the Russian Konakovo power station. The facility, Russia's 8th largest thermal power plant, is currently wreathed in smoke and flames. See the moment of the first impact on the station.
Люди уже собираются. Время 5 утра. Московский народ отчаянный. Опа. Опа. А вот и третий. Жахнул.
The Russian telegram channel Astra reported 2 fires in the Tver region near local gas distribution infrastructure, citing videos from local residents. At least 3 drones reportedly targeted the Kashira power plant in the Moscow region, according to Mikhail Shuvalov, the head of the Kashira city district. He said that the attack did not result in any fires, damage, or casualties. More than 10 drones were destroyed over the Voronezh region, and several more were downed over Lipetsk, Kaluga, Ryazan, and Tula regions, governors of the region said in posts on Telegram. 2 more were also downed in the Kursk region, which has been partially controlled by Ukraine, said the region's acting governor, Alexei Smirnov. 2 fires after the Ukrainian UAV attack in the Tver region. The attacked GRES and the gas distribution network, which is several kilometers away from it. The area around Konakivska GRES is blocked. Konakivskaya GRES is one of the largest power plants in the central part of Russia, the 8th largest thermal power plant in Russia. And here we can see how Ukrainian drones continue flying over Moscow and strike energy infrastructure as Ministry of Emergency Situations employees dispatched to extinguish the fires watch on in disbelief. Damn, this air defense, are they shooting machine guns? Zrenia, they said in the video.
На Москву идет, хорошо идет. Еще один. А? Да, там же стоит ПВО, помнишь, в поле? Похоже, сбили, да.
Вот, ебать.
Сука, пидорас, блядь! Пидорас, стреляйте, блядь! Мужики, сбейте его, блядь!
Бля, это ПВО, они из автоматов что ли стреляют? Вот интересно. Бать, пошел вниз. Ебать.
Блядь.
Ничего себе. Вот это прилет. Все, горит, бля.
Oh, wow. So you're telling me striking critical infrastructure is a game two can play? Ukraine has had yet another massive drone attack on Russia, one of the largest ever. Given the fact that Russian air defenses are so weak in areas beyond immediate war zones, even in Moscow, Russia should expect a very hot winter of fire and smoke. Live by the sword, don't be surprised to get your butt kicked hard by the sword. More videos of the attacks.
Ёпты!
Пошел на приземление. Все. Так. Все, сейчас попал. Попал.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.